Hello, I'm doing a quick recording for the new eZone, and thanks for Luis to let me use his account. So this is the new eZone. eZone just updated about 40 minutes ago, and I immediately get some teachers' feedback. How do I find my assignment, and how do I assign new homework? So this is your eZone screen, and this is all the classes, your courses you have. So question one, how do I see the assignment, the homework I have assigned? You go to your class, you click in, then you will see all the assignment you have done in this class. If you want to see the status, you go in, you click, then you will be able to see the screen you are quite familiar with. If you want to see the detailed results of your class, you go click the results, and you will see your whole class and the percentage your student has achieved. Okay, so that's question one. And question two is, Catherine, how do I assign my homework? I can't recognize the screen. Don't worry, actually it's very, very easy. So let me use another example. So this is my class two. I go to my class two. Now you click in, you will have all these familiar screens. Course overview, which shows the status of your class. Then material, which is your book. You go to your material, your book, you click in. Voila, that's the screen you are familiar with. So you just need to go to your cyber homework. You click. Then it brings you to your cyber homework. Okay, I think I don't need to teach you more about this. You scroll down to the homework you haven't assigned and you click assign. And yes, we improve certain functions. The assignment, now you assign the homework, you double check. You can assign to a group of students or a certain student if you want to assign again. Then you double check your dates and you click save. Then all your students will get the homework. All right, that's a very cute tutorial, and I hope they will help you to find your route at this moment. All the rest are actually very, very similar like before, but we will do we'll make more videos for you. So we are learning new on together. Okay, bye for now.